In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively transform AI-generated content into a natural, human-like style. We're diving deep into the art of editing content provided by AI, such as ChatGPT, to make it engaging, authentic, and indistinguishable from human writing. Let's begin this practical journey to fine-tuning your AI-generated content. First off, to work with ChatGPT, you need to navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. It's crucial to start with a new chat for a fresh session. This ensures we have a clear slate for our content transformation process. Now, imagine you've been given a paragraph and your task is to rewrite it in a beautifully natural and human-like way. For instance, you might have content that says, "In the rapidly evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT have become essential for content creation. Many users rely on AI to generate articles, social media posts, and marketing content quickly." Your job is to strip away any traces of AI-sounding patterns or repetitive phrases. Focus on making it engaging, readable, and most importantly, authentic. We want it to sound like it emanates from a human voice. Next, to enhance the human-like quality, you should vary the sentence structures and choose different words where possible. Consider a text like, "ChatGPT can assist in many tasks, but content that reads too mechanically can be detected as AI-generated. Using diverse phrasing and natural expressions helps avoid detection." The goal here is to creatively change up sentence structures and word choices without altering the intended meaning. It's all about keeping the text fresh and unique. Adding real-life examples and personal touches is our next step. Picture a sentence such as, "Many bloggers and marketers use AI tools daily, but adding personal stories or experiences can make content stand out as human-written." To truly make your writing relatable, sprinkle in anecdotes or casual expressions that reflect a personal touch. This approach not only makes your content stand out, but also fosters a connection with your readers. To ensure the content reads smoothly, review the text for readability and flow. Think of a sentence like, "Creating content that flows naturally makes readers more engaged and reduces the chance of AI detection." Rewrite with an eye toward a conversational tone that is easy to read and understand. This effort ensures the content doesn't just sound real, but also feels seamless and enjoyable to the reader. Optimization for detection. Avoidance is key. Comb through the text to adjust any patterns AI detectors might flag, such as repetitive language or predictable structures. Perhaps your sentence is formatted as, "By mixing sentence lengths, using idioms, and including casual expressions, content can appear natural and authentic." Shake things up a bit by incorporating a variety of expressions and tones, which helps in keeping your content as genuine as possible. Now, let's bring all these improvements together to create a final version that reads naturally, flows effortlessly, and feels undeniably human. In today's fast-paced tech world, many people use AI tools like ChatGPT to write articles, posts, and marketing material. However, sprinkling in real-life examples, personal experiences, and casual phrasing can make your writing feel authentic and human, keeping readers engaged and preventing AI detection. By applying these techniques, you'll master the art of tailoring AI-generated content into something truly remarkable and indistinguishable from human craft.